Okay, so we got some zucchini. These were on sale. You can just saute these or like make like, I don't know, like spiralize and things like that. And I got this huge bag of russet potatoes. We like to do potato wedges, like potatoes in the morning. Anything really with potatoes, scallop potatoes, all that good stuff. I got some bejeweled dates. I don't know, it's like sticky, but anyways, I got these because this is like a really good way to get some, what do you call it, something sweet in and filling, but bless you, but it's not like it's natural sweetness. So I thought this was good. Plus you can put them in smoothies, so I think that's good, but it's a lot of calories. We got these peaches. They aren't ripe yet, so I'm gonna leave them on the counter. I want to cook these from Madison, and also I might put them in like a dessert or something for myself because I do have a sweet tooth, which actually is starting to decrease now since I've been going to a vegan diet. I got some regular bell peppers, some bananas that need to ripen, so I want to do like a banana split. I have a video about it, a vegan banana split, but I need to get some vegan yogurt, so I need that. And then also you can freeze these, and I'm gonna make like smoothies with them, like nice cream, which I have a video about how to do that. And I got some jalapeno peppers because I can put these like on veggie burgers or in chili or anything else, like rice, like spicy rice, things like that. Just a good addition, and they're super cheap. Got some apples. These are from Madison because she loves apples and pears. So I got these to steam for her and puree for her baby food. Got this broccoli so we can make like fried, not broccoli, cauliflower. So we can make fried cauliflower. You can do like a teriyaki barbecue type, any type of really cauliflower, buffalo, whatever. And this is super cheap and just, it goes a long way. So I'm gonna cook this probably tonight. And I got some green onions. It just adds to any dish, really, something fresh. Because I didn't have any herbs. I didn't have like any cilantro or parsley. And I got 2 bags of spinach. I might just freeze one just so that I don't waste it. But I could put these in smoothies, and also Madison does eat spinach once I steam it and puree it. And I got some broccoli for Chris because I'm not a big broccoli fan, but Chris will eat broccoli with cheese. And then also Madison, I started this with her yesterday and she ate it. I had broccoli with peas and she ate it. I didn't add any type of fruit to it. She liked it. And then some fresh corn because it was on sale. I can just roast these and cut them off the kernel, make like a vegan like cream corn, something like that. I don't know, but it was on sale, so I was like, why not? So these are all the produce that I got out of my vegan haul, less than $100 vegan haul. These are all our produce. Okay, so these are our non-produce items that we got vegan vegetarian food haul for less than $100. So I thought this was vegan. I didn't even pay attention to it, but this has milk in it. But I get these double pizza crusts for Chris so I can make him pizzas like on those days I really don't feel like cooking. And he just wants pizza. So I'll do this, and he likes to eat it with soy chorizo from Trader Joe's. It's like $3. It's super inexpensive. I really cannot eat this right now. It's just too oily for me. I just can't do it. But I'll make that for him. It's super inexpensive, very cheap, easy dinner meal. I'll do that with like potato wedges and a salad, something like that, and he likes that. Then I got this on because I was just like, you know what, one of these days I know I'm gonna want some tacos. So this was like $2. And I can just make veggie tacos with this. I'll show you off if I do the video. I'm gonna use TVP for that. I'll show you off if I do that video. If I do make it, I'll do a video. I got some chili beans, garbanzo beans, and black beans. I got these again so I can make vegan chili. Chris really likes that with the chorizo added to it, and I can put the jalapenos in there. That'll be something good for him. Then I got this dark chocolate because, like I said, sometimes I have a sweet tooth, and this is really good to add to my nice cream or like my banana kind of ice cream. It's vegan. Like I said, I have a video on that, and it's really good. I might make this tonight, later on tonight if I feel like it. Got some Parmesan cheese for Chris. So just because, you know, just to add to his food, to spice it up. And I love steak seasoning. We love steak seasoning. I put this on my potato wedges, y'all. It's so good. I should have got some cayenne pepper while I was out. I got some hummus that I already opened. Super good. It's a snack. Speaking of snacks, I got this cilantro lime salsa. Thought that'd be good. Got some crushed tomatoes in case I want to do like a lasagna or any type of like pasta sauce. I make my own pasta sauce. I can even take the zucchini and add that to this and make a good like veggie pasta sauce. I got some pita chips. I already opened these because I had my hummus earlier, but this is really good. Plus I can have it with the salsa too as a snack. And then I also had one of these bagels earlier. It was so good. Just toasted it with this. I was so happy to find this vegan cream cheese, y'all. I put it on my Snapchat. I thought that was so cool. It's dairy free. I just kind of looked at it and I was like, wait, style spread. I was like, wait, this cannot be real cream cheese. And I looked at it some more. I was like, what? Dairy free? I think it was like $3. So I think that's a good deal. And it tastes pretty decent. And then I just got us some condiments because we are a condiment family. Y'all heard Maddie. We just love sauces. This is not vegan, but this is for Chris. He likes pesto. I just feel like whatever I can make, I can add it to it just to add more flavor to his food so he enjoys it since he's not eating meat, at least at home. Got this cheese for him. And then I was so happy to find this as well. I have not tried the Aldi brand, but this is vegan mozzarella cheese. So that's interesting. I might make some like Alfredo type of pasta tonight with some spinach and some sun-dried tomatoes and like a coconut, like coconut milk that comes in the can. So I think I'm gonna do that tonight. I might film it or at least put it on my Snapchat. So anyways, these are the items that we got that are non-refrigerated. Again, we only spent like $77 and I'm gonna let this last for the week. I'm gonna actually write out a meal plan. I know most people do meal plans before they go shopping, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. So this is what we got, plus our produce. Let me know if you all like these type of videos. Peace.